Nice po natin si Kuya Willie dahil po siya nagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa lahat. Tayo namang mga lalaki, suportahan natin ating mga asawa. Dahil nasa bahay sila, wala silang ibang outlet. No? So, yun lang po ang advice ko sa mga lalaki. Please understand your wife.
Alright. Thank you.
Mas salamat. I love you very much.
Alright. Ito na po. Pakinggan na po natin. Para masayahan tayo, please welcome, of course, Lieutenant Commander June from Navy. Wow.
Sana maulit-ulit ang mga oras na di nagkala. Bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Sana'y maulit-ulit. Sana'y bigyan ng pansin ang himig. Kahapon, bukas, ngayon, tanging wala ng ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kaya ko sana ito ang tanging nais ko. Ang ating kahapon sana maulit-ulit. Di na sana aasa pa. Di na sana lalapit pa. Mahal pa rin kita. Oh,
Wow.
Thank you po.
Galing ah! Cardi B! Galing ah! Galing pala! Galing ah! From the heart. Wow! Galing ah! Sir Jun ah? Ha? One more daw. Yusin mo pa isa? Anong kanta? Kaya pala niya kinanta yun, sana maulit muli, pinauulit siya.
Nandito ako po.
Nandito ako. Okay, here we go. Once more. Lieutenant Commander June.
mayroon nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniisip. Matagal na kong naghihintay. Ngunit mayroon kang ibang minamahal. Kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin. Ngunit ngayon pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugo ang puso, kung sakali
you, Kuya Will.
Alright, sir ha, 5,000 na lang. Para
Thank you po.
pantay-pantay lahat.
Opo.
Okay, thank you, 5,000!
Thank you, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Ito ang tunay na si Ogie. Alright, siyempre, mga Marine Staff Sergeant Ogie!
Binabati ko po ang lahat, unang-una ang mga miyembro ng Philippine Marines. Lalong-lalo na ngayon at nagdiriwang tayo ng ating 61st birthday, Philippine Marines. Binabati ko rin ang aking magulang dyan sa Romblon, si Iyo Bailey, si Carolina, ang aking binan sa may Nauhan, Oriental, Mindoro, yung aking mga kakilala at kamag-anak sa Nagcarlan, Laguna. Marcos, happy birthday! At ang aking anak sa nasa bahay, Janelle and Myla, ang aking kapatid sa may Perth, Australia. Tol, sabi mo, i-record mo ito para ipakita natin sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Australia. Ang aking Commandant ng Philippine Marine Corps, Major General Rostico Guerrero, ang aking CO Battalion, Colonel Antonio Rosario Jr. at ang Drum and Bugle Company. Huwa!
Alright, ano tong picture na dala mo? Sir, ano to?
Bali, nung kumanta ko, nagpa-picture sa akin si Shalani.
Wow! Talaga? Saan kayo? Saan yan? Saan?
Dito sa may Afcook GHQ.
Talaga? So, nagpa-picture siya nung natinig ka niya?
Nung kumanta ko sa birthday ni Colonel Kerubin, parang naakit siya ng konti ba? Nagpa-picture siya talaga. Pero bago ang lahat, Will, may bibigay ko sa iyo. Maalala kung nagiinom ka ng kape at gatas. You can open it and you can show to the public.
Really? Oh,
Yeah, really?
fabulous. Representative of the best in soldiery. Soldiery, okay. Wow, thank you. Marines, salamat. Okay, I will use this. Okay, thank you. Okay, yung picture natin. Okay, ma'am. So, where are you from?
I came from Romblon and I'm presently residing in Taguig.
Really?
Yeah.
So, what's your position right now in the government? What is your position in Marines?
My position right now at the present time, I could not reveal the other side of my position, but I can reveal the other one.
What is the other
As
one?
the assistant band leader of the Philippine Marine Band.
Really?
Yes.
How old are you, sir?
I'm 41 years old.
41. What is your motto in life?
My motto in life, I can translate it in Tagalog if you can.
Okay. Do it.
Okay, Tagalog na lang. Ang aking motto ay, di baling magkawasak-wasak ang labas, basta buo ang loob.
Oh, I like it. Translate it in English. In English.
It's, never mind if your outside is broken. The important is your inside is whole ba?
All right. I like that. I like that. So you are happy being a Marine?
Yes, I'm happy because being a member of the Marines stands of 5'2" and a half. I'm happy because the qualification and the height requirements in the Philippine Marine Corps is 5'5". So I'm very lucky that during 1995, I joined the Marines, even though I'm 5'2" and a half.
Why is it that you pass? Why is it that you pass? Because you're not in the
Yeah.
in the category to 5'5", but you're only 5'2".
In 1995, the Philippine Marine Corps recruit a very handsome and cute guy.
All right.
All right.
Okay, okay. And who's that guy?
Of course, the only one and the member of the endangered species. Okay, yeah.
I like it. I like it. How many kids do you have?
I only have one kid.
I only have one. Okay. Okay. What's the name of your? Is it a daughter? Or is it a son?
My son, Janelle, while he's a brown belt in Taekwondo.
Oh, okay. Well, how old is it, John now?
He running to 9 years old on December 30.
Okay. What do you want to tell your son right now? He's watching.